Today is a follow-up video. A couple of days ago, I brought you out here and I showed you some nutsedge, and I treated that nutsedge. So today, we're going to come through the lawn here, and we're going to start taking a look at how that's been working. You can tell the nutsedge is starting to turn a little brown. Where we sprayed it, you can see it. You can easily see how it's starting to discolor, right, and turn. The grass isn't touched, but the nutsedge is, all right? We can walk around the whole lawn here. You'll see patches where the nutsedge has been sprayed, like down in here. Here's a good example. Here's a good example right here of the nutsedge starting to die. So treat yourself, treat your lawn. If you have nutsedge, it's kind of an annoying grass. You can take another look over here at some. You can definitely tell. You see how they start to turn yellow, and then, next week those will be dead. And if I've missed any, I'll just retreat it. So it's effective. Give it a try yourself. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised.